Hi, I'm the awful chef. I gotta eat, so I'd better cook something. Ugh. Well, I'm not in the mood for anything today. And in fact, I even wasn't gonna make a video. But then I realized nobody else ever feels this way. So here I am to inspire you. And what do we have today? Well, it was going to be the first vegetarian dish I've made that was widely accepted. It was actually published in a newsletter. Ooh, yippee. Yes, I'm rising to fame slowly, one pebble at a time. But today, I am not in the mood for that. So, what do we got? Pork chops, straight from the freezer. Yep. Pantry special number one. When you go to the supermarket, and there are only two of you, go ahead and buy those family packs of pork chops, freeze them up inside a Ziploc bag, squeeze the air out against something soft, possibly against the former bodybuilder's muscle-fatigued abdomen, and squeeze the air out. Throw them in the freezer, they'll keep for a couple months. The miracle today is this. Yes, it's been with me a long time and I love it. It's a miracle thaw plate. Basically, it's a heat transfer device and it allows things to thaw in approximately half to 1/3 the time. They're still available on Amazon. I recommend them. So, that's useful. You know, living up here in the California mountains, power is one of those things which sometimes disappears. So having something like that on hand is a good idea. We're having it with frozen peas that I also keep on hand. Lots of dishes you can do with frozen peas. Especially vegetarian ones, yes. We're going to cook those up in a steamer basket. You know, one of those funky little things you buy at the grocery store for 50 cents, whatever. Throw that in a pan with a little bit of chicken stock, some butter on top, and some salt. Let the butter melt down into the peas. That'll be great. I got some leftover potatoes. I'm going to cook those in the oven. Cut them into slices. Put them on a piece of parchment paper. Coat them with olive oil, salt, and pepper. And then bake them. Once they're done, you can use the broiler to put a skin on the top, or a crust. So, that's my exciting dinner. If you have a pantry, even when you feel unexcited about life, you can cook. You can make very good food. So, that's it. Oh, almost forgot. If you really need to thaw these out, put them in a bowl of hot water. Do not use a microwave. The microwave will cook them in patches inside out. You'll get really weird gooey texture. Yuck. So, that's it. I am the awful chef, feeling kind of awful today. So we're just pulling stuff out and making dinner. Real simple, real quick, real easy, as usual. This is social media, so do that social thing and subscribe. And just for reference, on those sexy shows, I've been kind of mugging it up with bad camera angles, you know. Trying to make myself look a little bit like Fester Adams in a tie. So, yeah, I want to let you know that our diet is actually much healthier than I make it look in those shows. We'll try to correct the camera angles and quit mugging up a bit. So that's it. Thank you. Please do that social media thing and subscribe, or YouTube will exile me to non-existence. Thank you. Bye.